So here we are again, cooking lion's mane mushrooms. They were so good last time. We just had to share them with our church family, so we are cooking for them. I'm helping my partner, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this sauce ready. And this is his recipe. So we have this protein pasta, which is plant-based. Bring that water to a boil, add some sea salt, and throw that pasta in there. And just add some adobo, lemon pepper, and parsley. And that pasta is ready to go. Gonna get some garlic and chop that garlic up. Add a little bit of oil and let that sizzle. And we're gonna use these crushed tomatoes. If you don't have that, you can use cherry tomatoes, chop them up and saute them all together. Now we're gonna use 4 bottles of sauce, spaghetti sauce, and add your basil, your red wine, some brown sugar, and a little bit of adobo to taste. While that's simmering, we're gonna get this kale salad ready. Go ahead and chop that up and then use some pickles, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. And here we are. Lunch is served, and my partner is so graciously serving everyone. How was the food?
Amazing. Yeah. Repeatable.
Healthy eating and healthy living at LivvYounique.